My name is Jessica. I am 24 years old. I was the kind of woman who believed in love, the kind of love you see in movies, the kind that withstands storms. For years, I built my world around one person, Ryan. We met in college, and from that first nervous smile across the library table, I thought we were meant to be. He was my best friend, my safe place, my forever. We moved in together, planned our future, talked about kids, a house with a white picket fence. I thought we were living a fairy tale. But fairy tales, they don't always have happy endings. One evening, after a long day at work, I came home to find Ryan acting different, distant. His phone was glued to his hand, and his eyes held a secret. He wasn't ready to confess. Then, one night, fate intervened. His phone buzzed while he was in the shower. My heart pounded as I glanced at the screen. A message flashed across the lock screen. Last night was amazing. Can't wait to see you again. My hands trembled. My vision blurred. My heart shattered. I confronted him. He didn't even deny it. He just stared at me, speechless, as if I had caught him in a lie he wasn't prepared to defend. He mumbled excuses. It didn't mean anything. I still love you. But love isn't supposed to feel like betrayal. I packed my bags that night. I walked out of the home we built together, leaving behind not just the man I loved, but the version of myself who believed love was enough to keep someone faithful. The weeks that followed were dark. Heartbreak isn't just emotional, it's physical. I couldn't eat. I barely slept. My mind was a battlefield of what ifs, and why wasn't I enough? But one morning, I looked in the mirror and saw a woman I didn't recognize, one who had spent too much time mourning a love that was never real. That's when I made a choice. I would not let betrayal define me. I started small, a morning walk, journaling my feelings, therapy sessions that felt like unraveling knots in my soul. I reconnected with old friends, found joy in forgotten hobbies, and traveled to places I had always dreamed of seeing on my own. Each step I took was proof that I didn't need him to be whole. And then something unexpected happened. I found me again. Ryan's betrayal broke me, but it also rebuilt me into someone stronger, wiser, and unapologetically myself. If you're watching this, and you're in the middle of heartbreak, I need you to know this. You will be okay. Not just okay, you will be extraordinary. Because the pain you feel right now, it's not the end of your story. It's the beginning of something beautiful, something that's waiting for you to claim it. Have you ever loved someone so deeply, only to wake up one day and realize they were never truly yours? I did, and it broke me, but it also made me stronger than I ever thought possible. If my story resonated with you, if you've ever felt this kind of heartbreak and found your way back to yourself, share your journey in the comments. Let's remind each other that we are never alone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because together we rise.